The next one is to find out the median. Again, median depends upon the formula. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus F by F into H, class size of the class interval. So now, find the median. For the following data. Take the sum as CF and frequency. First one, 65 to 85. Second, 85 to 105. 105 to 125. 125 to 145. 145 to 165. 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. Now here the frequency numbers 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. First children, you have to write down the formula for group data. That is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into class interval or H. Now you have to see this one, CF. N is easy, N is the number of scores. What is the CF? CF is nothing but cumulative frequency. Now first number write as it is, 4. Then you go on adding the 4 and 9, the 4 and 5, 9. Then 9 and 13. 9 and 13 comes up to 22. Then it comes up to 42. 42 and 14 comes up to 56. 56 and the 8 comes up to 64. And the last is 68. So this one, N is 68. Once you get this, in this you have to take the middle part. Middle part, you have to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exactly the middle score of the frequency, cumulative frequency you have to locate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 3 you leave. What is the middle number? 42. That part again you have to block. Remember, in this one, median depends upon CF. Now, once you get it, put an arrow mark. This becomes CF and this becomes F and this becomes L. Now, put this value here. That's it. What is this one? L. Or write it. L is equal to 125. Then CF. CF is equal to 22. Then only F. 20, and of course H is equal to 85 minus 65, that becomes up to 60. Put the values here and solve it. N plus n by 2, n is 68, by 2, 34, minus CF is 22 by 20 into 20. So this is 125 plus 34 minus 22. So this is 12 by 20 into 20. Now you can cancel it. So 125 plus 12. It comes up to 137. This is the median. So children have covered mean, median and mode. So I think I have made myself very clear. And of course, one question is on graph, on the ogive. This only can be considered as ogive. Anyway, for ogive you need a CF column. So after doing this, now first one, always is x-axis and this is always y-axis. So what will come here? 65, 85. So this is 0, 0. And you are dividing it into equal intervals. And here also, you will be given a graph in the examination hall. Divide it properly. The highest number here. Highest number is 68 and the lowest number is 4. So you divide it into 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 or 5. Okay, it goes on like this. So you start with CF 4 and you take any one. Either this number you take or this number you take. So this one is 65. The next number will be 85. This is 105. This is 125. 145, 165 and 185. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Of course, you have to write on the scale also. 10 division is equal to 1 unit for x-axis. Again, y-axis also same. Now here, CF class interval is 4. And what is the 65? 65 and 4 will be here. So write down there or keep it as it is, 65 and 4. Next is 85. 85 and 9. 85, 9, 1 far little less than 10. Then 105 is 22. Here 20, exactly remaining 22.5, take it down. Then 125 is 42. 125, 42. Somewhere something comes here. 142. Next is 145 is 56. So it goes up like this. So you see the graph is going like this. So this is called as the ogive less than type. So like this only, if you go from top to bottom, this is called as more than type. More than type, what you start like this from low. You go near this 4, you write this number 4 and 8, 12, then 12 and 14, it goes up. So here you get the highest, therefore you come from top to bottom. The point where the two graphs meet, this part gives you the median. So our median lies between 105 and 125. This point is median. So this is 3 marks question and mean median mode is again 3 marks question. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1 mark always for the formula. Understand the value. So you are getting 7 to 8 marks in this chapter and I request you all, please practice one sum at least and be perfect before practicing. See that you first understand the formula and understand the link between the formula. That will fetch you 7 marks. And along with this, I request you all the students, when you get the paper in your hand, please go through all the questions. Do not leave any questions and write the proper register number. On every paper, you are writing the register number. And be careful, write the proper question number also. Whatever is given in the paper, that number should be written. And you would not hesitate to take Deepak's name. Deepak always writes his own number. Do not do that. That is wrong. Understand? And then each chapter you should know from which chapter the question is asked. And if you remember the formula, please write down all the formulas for each question. And the most likely questions, theorems, constructions, graph and ogive. All these parts, and of course one question on probability, remember, and then AP, standard formula, and here, and in the standard formula, alpha plus beta, that is, the two alpha plus beta are nothing but the zeros, which are called as the roots, which are nothing but the answer for the given quadratic equation. And here, alpha plus beta formula is minus b by a, alpha beta is c by a. I will continue in the next class. Now, this much is enough for you to practice.